Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Smita, a fellow learning and product enthusiast who loves exploring industry tools and figuring out how they can make our work easier, more creative and impactful. This space is about sharing what I have learned over the years, whether it is honest reviews of tools, simple step-by-step tutorials, or ideas on how these tools can fit into the world of digital learning. I believe we all learn better together. So think of this as a place where we can exchange ideas and grow as a community. If there's a tool you're curious about or a topic you'd like me to dive into, let me know in the comments. I'm always excited to explore new ideas and create videos that are helpful for you. So if you're as passionate about learning and experimenting as I am, stick around. Let's discover, share, and grow together. Thank you for stopping by. I can't wait to see you in our videos.